If something is yours by right, then fight for it or shut up.
Sí, aquí estamos con el main source, con el profesor grande, Sir Scratching Kiko. Y vamos a hablar de los rappers que no pueden cantar.
Rappers can dance, sing, and shake their thing at the same time, but can't rhyme. They probably think that as long as they're getting paid, they can sleep in the shade, but they'll fall like a cascade. While I drop skills over drum fills, they'll try to pick up some and still sound slum. Cause they didn't learn the fundamentals in this, and I insist that they get dissed for fraud. Their weak rap tunes keep me bored, sore due to the type of issue they record. Hey, and I make them concentrate on the songs I create, and kids can't wait to get their fork, knife, and plate, so they can chew what I serve with the nerve to call themselves real, but I know the deal. So I just place all their cards on the trap, tell them to cut the crap, now let's rap.
Sí, ahí estaba él hablando de esos rappers que siempre están bailando y que no saben lo que están haciendo porque no saben cantar. Pero el profesor, él sí sabe lo que está haciendo. Y él tiene música muy buena y nunca está bailando como esos pendejos que siempre están bailando por ahí. Y Sir Scratch and Kiko, ellos sí que saben DJ muy bueno. ¿Tú sabes lo que estoy diciendo?
Now all you rap clowns, let's go 7 rounds and put down your imaginary crowns. We'll take it to the streets with multiple beats. Get as loose as you want, flaunt, no beeps. This time when you rhyme, it won't be for a rock show. It'll be on the block so we can work like strainers or filters and find the raw remainders and the best builders. Cause so many MCs get starstruck, get off stage and find out that they're washed up. Cause some new jack took them out, but they were sleeping, so what's the surprise look about? It ain't hard to tell that your record sell because your rhyme smelling. People scared of a brother that drops a bombshell. So to show and prove the fact is important that you come and show your tactics ASAP, let's rap.
Aquí estamos hablando ahora de los rappers que se están olvidando de la calle y que están tratando de cambiar sus canciones y no saben lo que están haciendo. Pero que usted sabe que esos, ellos no se olvidan de dónde vienen y vienen de la calle y quieren hacer música para la calle. ¿Entiendes? Okay.
Lost Professor K cutting Sir Scratch, kicking it to kids that can't latch on to the meaning of a real rap song. Just producing corn, I like to born. We built it up this far without selling out and still get clout. So you continue to sell and be a sap. And when you're ready to snap back, I'll tell you let's rap.
Sí, porque la gente se está olvidando y están tratando de cambiar la mente.